Okay guys, after that we are taking the risk taking. That is the very best characteristics of the our entrepreneur. After that, secrecy maintenance. Secrecy maintenance is also very important. Why? Because sometimes some our secrets are to telling other companies or other entrepreneurs. That time our profit is losing for every time. Why? Because I'm example for that. For example, I will tell you. For in illas means in that time they are doing cook for food any. They are using some tips. In that time, that tips they don't tell about the daughter-in-law. Why? Because they attachment with their husband and son, their food items, they're doing food items, that is the best for my mom is doing this food is very well, you never did like this. That tips don't, that secret is not telling to daughter-in-law. Why? Because they are to interact with our mother only. Like that, you don't tell any secrets, any techniques with other company. Okay guys, that is also very important. And also maintenance of public relations. Public relations is also very important. Why? Because in public relation we are a entrepreneur. In that time we are doing in our own business, we promoting our product to public, we are using public relation methods, news media and newsletters, newspapers, magazines, social networking, we are using public relations method. In that time we have to maintain public relations with customers every minute. Customers is our paymasters. You remember that. Customers is our paymasters. That time you have to maintain the public relations for every successful entrepreneur. And communication skills. We communicate the every information clearly, not only pronunciation, clearly, loudly. We have to develop their skills and leadership skills, knowledge, ability. We have to self-confidence. We will train programs and also social skills, how to mingle with society. We developing our skills, writing skills, oral skills, listening skills. Listening is also very important. Listening skills. We have to maintain all communication skills. Okay, and enjoy your business. Enjoyment is also very important. We are happy with your own business. In that time you are successful. You are unhappy with your business, you are not successful. That's why you enjoying the work, enjoying with your customers in your own business. Okay girls, that is also, and promote your business constantly. Promotion is also very important. Your business advertisements, give advertisements and put up your messages for Facebook. Like that you promoting the in your own business 24 hours. You have to promote your own business. And also be accessible. Accessibility is also very important. Every minute, every customer they wanted to your product. In that time to be your accessible, you have to be there not only for shop, you have to in phone call they wanted to the your product. In that time you be a accessible. That is the main characteristics of our entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means the starting to risk taking a new something new business. that one. I gave all the examples for these. आपको समझाने के लिए हम हिंदी में भी एग्जाम्पल्स दिया. सम नॉर्थ स्टूडेंट्स होना है ना एमपीसी में बीबीसी में, दैट्स वे आई एम गेव एग्जाम्पल्स इन हिंदी. ओके गर्ल्स, you understood? Next class we are discussing about the functions of entrepreneur. Thank you. Umaya.